Hi everybody, and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today we're going to make something called Newlywed Nuts, and I got this off one of my channels that I subscribe to, which is Robin Bensley, B-E-N-Z-L-E. If you haven't seen her recipes, she travels a lot, she and her husband. So they have different types of recipes on there. You'll enjoy it. And I got her permission to share this. Well, I have 2 egg whites. And I'm going to beat them till they're frothy. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees and grease a sheet pan. Whoops, sorry about that. See, they're frothy now. I'm not sure they're frothy enough. Now in this bowl, in this container, I've got a half a cup of sugar. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Come on. There's 1. I'm going to have to get another bottle of cinnamon. That's all I had left in that one. Let's see. Here's another bottle. Two tablespoons of cinnamon. And a teaspoon of, let me find it. There's a little bit of cinnamon left in this one. Well, I just had it just a minute ago. Well, a teaspoon of nutmeg. And you're gonna oh, here it is, right here. Right in here. If you don't like nutmeg, leave it out. I'm going to stir this and mix it up. Meanwhile, I've got my oven preheated to 300. I've got my sheet pan sprayed so these won't stick. And I have 2 cups of pecan halves. You can use any type of nut that you want to. I've got another bowl right here. I'll put my 2 cups of pecans in here. I'm going to pour in my sugar and nutmeg mixture. Kind of stir them around. Get them mixed. Then I'm going to take my frothy egg whites, my 2 egg whites that I've made frothy. And I'm going to pour them in. Now I'm going to mix them up. With my spoon. Get them mixed really good now. See, there's still sugar and stuff in here that hasn't been touched by those egg whites. You want everything evenly distributed. And this would be a great thing to have for the game, for company. And they call it Newlywed Nuts because of the simplicity, because it's so simple. All right. Let me see. Let me go get my sheet pan. Whoop. Make sure all your nuts are covered. I'm going to pour them in. And spread them out. Try to get them as, in a single layer. And you're not going to turn these or anything. You're just going to put them in the oven and let them stay in there 30 minutes. And when you take them out, they'll be done. And then I'll bring you back. Oh, hi, we're back. It took mine about 35 minutes. And when you grease your sheet pan, use butter because it adds to the flavor. And when your time is up, you take your nuts out of the oven and you let them cool. And then with a spatula, you scrape them up off the pan. And they're really good. You don't like these seasonings that I used and that Robin used, make up your own. And I think next time I'll put a little cayenne on them too. Just a little. But enjoy your game or whatever you've made them for, movie night. And if you're not familiar with the kitchen, if you're a newlywed, this will be easy for you. So until next time, you all take care. Subscribe if you haven't. And God bless every one of you.